welcome back to my channel. My name is Jonique and I create fashion related content from vlogs, lookbooks, hauls, and things like that. So if it seems to interest you, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. That leads me into what today's video is going to be about. This will be my first time doing a collective haul featuring pieces from Shein and Fashion Nova, so this should be fun. A lot of these pieces will be perfect for springtime, but let's just get right into the video. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, turn on your post notifications. What are you waiting for? And let's just get right into it. The first item that I purchased is from Shein. I saw this online and I fell in love with it. I wanted a Varsity Letterman jacket, and this is the perfect one. It's not all one fabric. It has leather on the sleeves, and then it has more of like that varsity material on the rest of the jacket. It does have the button down feature. It comes with buttons. You can button it up or down depending on what you're going for. I love that it's cropped, so it adds some structure when you're styling it. You can style it with shorts similar to what I have on. Leather pants will look really good with this. Sweatpants if you want to dress it down. Even a skirt if you want to dress it up. So you have many options to choose from. So it's multi-purpose use, which is really good. It's not thick, so if it is below 60 degrees where you're from, I wouldn't recommend this. This will not keep you warm. It's more for fashion purposes. Where I live, it's hot all the time, so this works perfect for me. This leads me into the next item. So this is more of a checkered board design. It is black and white. It does have a little gray in it. It is very fluffy and soft. I like the buckles they have down here. It doesn't go all the way down to your wrist. Probably size up so it fits all the way down to the bottom, but it's perfect for me. I love how oversized it is. I believe I got this in a size medium. I will put all the links down below in my description if you guys want to shop. They do have some pocket here, so that's good for storage purposes. You can style this up many different ways, dress it up or dress it down, so that's really what made me buy this. Is it thick inside? No, it is not. It's not much comfort in here. I'll come a little closer so you can see. This is what the inside looks like. So this one is another one that's not going to keep you warm if that's what your main objective is. The next item I purchased was this jacket. So you can see this one is a lot longer. It's giving you like that flannel checkerboard look. This one's very soft as well on the outside. I love the blue, the whites, and the browns. This will look paired perfectly with jeans if I want to do something very casual. Or you can even tie it in a knot if you want to add a different dimension to the jacket. But overall, I really like it. It does come with pockets here as well, and the color is just magnificent. Very form-fitting. It's not too oversized. I believe I got this in a size medium, so it's very true to size as well. Similar to the other jacket, this is what it looks like on the inside. But this would be perfect if you want to cozy up on a summer day. To end off the jacket portion, this is going to be the last jacket. Now this is similar to the first one. It is a Leatherman varsity jacket. I actually styled this jacket on my Instagram at jo.taytay, so I will add the picture here so you can see it and see a way that you can style it. It is great quality, has some pockets, so that's a must. It has the big A here too. It does catch quite a bit amount of lint, but that's what lint rollers are for. It's a bit oversized, not too big, but definitely fit the body nicely. I like the sleeves, very soft. On the inside, this is what it looks like. But overall, this jacket would be really nice if you want to tone it down and do more of a casual look. Pair it with some sneakers, some shorts, and you're good to go. The next item I purchased is this shirt. Now, they say it's similar to a Skims dupe. It is great quality, very stretchy. I don't have any Skims in my closet, so I'm not 100% sure if it is authentic to the type of material that Skims sells, but it is very form-fitting. It is stretchy. It is a basic, but it will snatch you in, which we all love and need. The next item I purchased is this black long sleeve turtleneck top. I was shopping for basics. I needed black, white, and I noticed I didn't have any turtlenecks tops in my closet, so why not get some? And that's exactly what I did. So this one's pretty basic. It's not much I can say about it. It is very soft, form-fitting as well, has a little bit of stretch to it. It is a tad bit see-through, so just keep that in mind. Having a piece like this can be very beneficial to you just because you can layer it, you can dress it up, or you can dress it down. You can do so many styles with this just basic top. You'll be surprised. The next item I purchased is this beautiful all black dress. So it is a long dress. It goes all the way down to my ankles, and I am 5'6". It is very form-fitting. It is more on a thinner quality. It's supposed to be in relations to a Skims dupe. I wouldn't say that it's not good quality. I wish it was double lined. If it was double lined, yes, this would be the dress to have. If you're comfortable enough to wear the right undergarments, this dress will be perfect for you. It is very lightweight, stretchy, and in the back it is a crisscross design. I did do a TikTok so you can see how it is, and follow me on Instagram at jo.taytay so you can see if I'm going to style this or not. Leading to the items that I got from Fashion Nova, this is one of the pieces that I did purchase. So this is a two-piece velour set. You can get it together or it's sold separately. You can get the jacket or the pants separately. But I really love it. It comes with pockets, which is a must. It is black. And I got this in a size medium. It does run a little close. So if you want it to be a lot more baggier, you can size up. I would recommend that. However, a set like this, you would want it to be form-fitted just because you want to look cute. This would be perfect for when you're on the run or have some errands to do, on the way to Starbucks or Target. Definitely throw this on and you'll be good to go. If you don't know what you want to wear, this would be the perfect set to put on. Spring is here, so why not implement some pop-up colors? I don't have this color in my closet, so I thought this would be a perfect addition. It's similar to the previous black one, but just in a different color, obviously. It has the same pockets. The shorts are super cute as well. You do have the option to get it long or short, but I went with short. This is the back. Overall, I just really love this color on me and I can't wait to style this. I probably would wear this with a bandeau top, wear it with some sneakers, a nice bag, probably like a bucket hat. You feel the vibes? Like, last but not least is this graphic t-shirt. I got it in a size medium, so it is true to size. It is acid wash gray, which is really nice. I love the pop of blue. It says boys in the hood. Overall, this is the perfect graphic t-shirt. You can dress it down with some jeans, some sneakers, a baseball cap, and a cute little bag. And I can see myself dressing this up with leather pants, heels, and even the same baseball cap, like a blue baseball cap, will definitely elevate the look as well. So there's many different options that you can choose from when styling this type of piece. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed all the pieces that I purchased from Shein and Fashion Nova. Comment down below which one was your favorite or which one you can see yourself purchasing. But stay tuned for more hauls and let me know what other brands you guys would like to see on this channel. I want to try out Naked Wardrobe. I did get a piece from them, so let me know if I should do a video on them as well. But give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, follow me on Instagram at jo.taytay, and see you in my next one. Bye guys.